Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. In this video, we will see 30 one-liner questions regarding to agronomy, and this one-liner questions will be very important, very beneficial for various agricultural competitive exams. So without wasting our time, let's move forward. First, we will see our first question, that harvest index in Pigeon P. The answer is 19%. So, what do you mean by harvest index? Harvest index, it is nothing but economic yield upon biological yield into 100. And this term, that is the HI, it was coined by Donald. And harvest index, it differs for different crops, as we know that in Pigeon P the HI is 19%. Our second question, soybean is introduced in India from USA in which year soybean was introduced in India from USA? The answer is 1960. Our third question, nursery area required for seedling of rice of 1 hectare field is? The answer is 0.10 hectare. So 0.10 hectare is the nursery area which is required for planting or sowing of seedling of rice in 1 hectare field. Regarding or in concern with rice, the mat type nursery is also important. Next question, soybean seed contains? The answer is 20% oil and 40% protein. Okay, so this is the content which soybean has. Soybean contain 20% of oil and 40% of protein. Our next question is, the optimum spacing for wheat is? Wheat, that is nothing but our Triticum aestivum. So the optimum spacing of Triticum aestivum is 22.5 centimeter. We are speaking this in terms of line to line spacing. So the optimum spacing of Triticum aestivum is 22.5 centimeter. Our next question is, rice seedling planting depth? The answer is 2 to 3 centimeter. See that tiller buds which are formed at the basal node, they are not suppressed when the rice seedling is planted at 2 to 3 centimeter. If we are going to plant the seed in more depth, means more than 3 centimeter you can say, so at that time the tiller buds, they will get suppressed, and of course the germination percent will be reduced. So sowing depth plays an important role. Next question, wheat harvest. So there, what is the answer? The answer is 28 to 30% of grain moisture. Means when the wheat crop has attained its maturity and now it's the time for harvest of wheat crop. So at that condition, the wheat crop should contain at least 28 to 30% of grain moisture. Next question, depth of sowing of soybean seed is? And the answer is 3 centimeter. Next, in wheat nursery of rice, level of water is maintained at? The answer is 5 centimeter. Okay, next question, the optimum depth of puddling in rice is? Here also the answer is 5 centimeter. Now we will see that what do you mean by puddling? Puddling, it is the process of destruction of soil aggregates by mechanical force in soil with excessive moisture contained. This puddling, they increases the bulk density and destroys your soil structure, which hampers the root penetration and development succeeding upland crops which is grown in rotation with rice. Our next question, we will see optimum temperature for sugarcane ripening. The answer is 65 degree Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. See, basically sugarcane, it is a tropical crop, means the best temperature which is suited for sugarcane, it is 28 to 32 degrees Celsius. But for ripening purpose, the sugarcane requires relatively low temperature in the range of 18 degree Celsius. Next question, sugarcane is irrigated dash days during its growing period. Answer is 8 to 12 days. Next, jawar has which root system? So the answer is adventitious and fibrous. So jawar, it is nothing but the sorghum bicolor. It is a camel crop. It is called camel crop because it has the capacity to withstand against drought. Next question. Developed bitterness of groundnut kernel is mainly due to. The answer is alpha toxin. Means the bitterness of kernel, it is due to alpha toxin, and this alpha toxin, it is developed mainly because when the moisture content is more than 8%, and also occurs due to the presence of fungus, namely Aspergillus niger and Aspergillus flavus. Next question. Which is a fodder maize variety? So the answer is African tall. African tall and J1006. These are the fodder maize variety. So our next question is best treatment for red rot disease of sugarcane. The answer is agalol. See, this red rot disease of sugarcane, it is caused due to the Colletotrichum falcatum. Because of this causal organism, the red rot disease occurs in sugarcane and it can be treated with the help of agalol treatment. Next question. Groundnut as a rabi crop in, means in which state the groundnut is grown as a rabi crop, and the answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Most important sucking paste of cotton and rice, Gossypium species and Oryza sativa. The most important sucking paste is Apis gossypia and Thrips oryzae. Next, groundnut faces a serious problem of alpha toxin which is caused by, this I have told you earlier. The answer is Aspergillus flavus, again Aspergillus niger. Next, the residue of sugarcane factory is, the answer is bagasse. Again, the residues may be molasses, press mud, and this bagasses, they are used for fuel as well as paper making. The highest area of summer maize. Okay, we are speaking about the highest area of sugar maize. It is seen in Bihar. Next question. The state, same it is, the state having highest area under sugar maize, it is Bihar. Next, which disease is known as killer disease of wheat? Black rust, which is caused by Puccinia graminis. So this is the disease which is known as the killer disease of wheat. Origin of groundnut, that is Arachis hypogaea. The answer is Brazil, which is in South America. Next question. The cause of Bengal famine was, the answer is brown spot of rice. This brown spot of rice, it was the cause of Bengal famine. Next question. The most critical stage of irrigation in wheat is, the answer is CRI stage, that is crown root initiation stage. Next, the jawar is known as, jawar, it is nothing but the sorghum bicolor, and this it is known as camel crop or king of coarse grain. Next question. Wheat, maize, oat and jawar, they are the rich source of carbohydrate. So Triticum aestivum, Zea mays, Avena sativa and sorghum bicolor, they are the rich source of carbohydrate. And next question. Soybean, it is a native crop from, we all know that it is China or Eastern Asia. This is the native crop of soybean. Next, sowing depth of wheat is depend on the length of coleoptile, and thus the dwarf wheat has a sowing depth of 5 to 6 centimeter. So friends, this was all about the 30 one-liner questions regarding to agronomy we have discussed. So friends, if you have liked the content of this video and if you want more video regarding to agronomy or any other subjects of agricultural, please comment, do share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a good day.